Right folks, I'm down at Newport waterfront here. Just came down to drink my coffee and have my croissant, and as I was coming around the corner I could see on the horizon, yes on the horizon, the wreck of the boat that lies out on the shores out here somewhere. Now Bro and I have been trying to get there for ages and ages, just weren't quite sure where it is. I've seen Kenny Rogers' video of it. He takes his copter up there. So I'm just going to have a quick stroll out there and see if I can actually see it. Bitterly cold down here, absolutely freezing. I think I should put my hat on actually, this is not good enough. So we're going to take the high route up here. Well, just about Bro's not with us. We're through. So the path we are on here is a path that I suppose must have been used by the old monks that lived in Balmerino Abbey, which is about 2 miles away from here, further on round the corner there. So this is we're treading in the steps of the old monks. Excellent. It's quite a hilly little path. That thing's coming right in my eyes. Right. Now we should be able to see the wreck from up here. I'm hoping. Goodness me, it is very cold indeed. My nose is running. Goodness. Oh dear. A sandbank right in the middle there. Oh, no sign of the wreck. Just around the next corner. Oh, found another seal. Frosty seal. Good afternoon, sir. Oh, a disaster there, folks. The phone went off again. Typical. Just as I got to my molto trepidatione moment, I could see the wreck. The phone went off. I don't know if it's... Seems to be when it's in the case. Is the case maybe too tight for it? I don't know. Or is it just too cold? Because it goes off and it won't come back on again for about 5 minutes. So I'm a bit concerned about that. Right, we're almost at the point where I think we should be able to get a good view of the wreck of this old... It was a World War II boat. Oh, my microphone's not even plugged in. Look, disaster, what's going on? Oh, folks, there it is, just down there. There we go. We're getting closer to it. Right, folks, well, it looks as if this is as close as I'm going to get, I'm afraid. There it is. Right folks, there we go, trying to get a close-up. Right folks, so I think that's about as far as I'm going to get. I don't think I'm going to be able to get down onto the shore to get a closer look at the boat. I should have gone down onto the bottom path instead of stayed up here on the top path. Whoa, look at that, there's a buzzard or an eagle or something, there it goes. That's just a seahawk, I think. Nice. Yes, yeah, should be down there. And I don't think the path goes down that way. We'll have a little stroll along here, see if we can see anything else, but I don't think the one path seems to dip down a little bit. Oh, hang on, we might be able to get down to the shore this way. I think there might be some sort of unofficial desire path down here. Let's see if we can do. I've made it down to the shore, and there it is. Right, I've made it. Clambered down here. There's some sort of old shelter, bothy kind of thing here, and I think it's been some sort of little civilization just here, but this is what we came all this way for. I've actually made it. Here it is, the wreck of the boat. There it is. Oh, disaster, the phone went off again. I think it's when it's in that case. I think the case is too tight and it does something, but anyway, we're not going to stay here too long now because the phone's running out of battery power. It keeps going off. I'm marooned here. Now we have this rather strange log which seems to be embedded with cement, and it looks like a beaver's had a good chew at it there. So a closer look at it, shall we? Anyway, that is the end of today's adventure, folks. Isn't it strange to think that 2 hours ago I was over there on top of the Law Hill, or the Law, sorry, top of the Law, right over there. And as I looked across the Tay, I could see that wreckage away in the distance, and I thought, wouldn't it be wild if I could get there and actually see it, because we've been meaning to see it for a while. So it just goes to show, folks, if you put your mind to it, a bit of effort, you can do really whatever you can see within your vision. Does that make sense? Well, that's what I did today, folks. I saw something in the distance, I went for it, I got there, I saw it, I've done it, I'm happy. And yeah, that's the moral of today. If you see something you want it, just do it. See you later, folks. Bye for now.